Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to describe how to get a visa to North Korea. I mean, how to travel to North Korea. So before I proceed further, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, various countries have various rules. And there are various other factors also involved when you go to a country for visit. So because I have always kept politics out of my channel, same thing I'll do here. Going to a country or place is always gonna be your decision. So you're gonna be responsible. So I'm just gonna describe the process. Unfortunately, I could not see any wizard or something that I could demonstrate to you like I have done for other countries. But here I have got some information that I'm gonna share with you. Okay. First of all, you cannot travel on your own like you can do for almost all other countries. So you need to contact a travel agency that organizes North Korean approved tours. Okay, there. So this travel agency that you will contact for this, they will organize your trip and they will get your visa approved. Okay. So they will take care of, but again, when you are in order to protect yourself from scams, always contact the authorized travel agency, not something, not someone who claims to be, and maybe they do not have the license or authority. Okay. What are the things you need? You need to definitely provide your passport side picture with white background, copy of your passport, and North Korean visa application form, and you have to sign terms and agreement. Okay. Of course, based on the case by case, you could be asked additional documents, and I would strongly recommend that you read terms and conditions before signing it. Okay. Now the visa will not be a sticker that is going to be sticked in your passport like you see for other countries, but it will be a document or you can say a booklet. Okay. Oh. Now how to enter? So you can enter by air or by train via China or Russia. Okay. So if you're going through that, you need to check the requirements for those countries also. Like if you have free visa agreement, like if you're from a country that has free visa agreement with China, Russia, you are in a better place. But otherwise, you need to check their requirements too. Okay. So now what happens at the entry point? Like North Korean immigration officers, they are gonna check your passport stamp. They will check other things also. And then you need to hand it over your passport to them. I mean, they will assign you a guide until you depart. And at the time of departure, you will receive a departure stamp. Also, that's pretty normal. Many countries do that departures stamp. Now, of course, like there are some passport free like arrangements too. Now, a lot of you have this question that should you get travel insurance for North Korea? Because I have always recommended, especially when you do international travel, get some travel insurance. So, because you never know, an accident or something may happen anytime, even without your control. So definitely, I would still recommend you get it for North Korea, but yes, it won't be very easy to find. I mean, now, so you need to check this also. Okay. And you can also ask your travel agency. Maybe they have some tie-ups so that they can do it in your case. Okay. Now this is, and also read the conditions. So with this, you can go over there. Now, a lot of you have questions that whether you will have internet access. So it is accessible to government officials and foreigners. Okay. Uh, I mean, but yes, there could be restrictions posed by the government. Okay. So, and yes, you can get a SIM card over there to make international calls. Okay. But yes, like you need to follow their laws, rules, and any restriction that you put because you are agreeing to their terms and condition. So this is very important. That's how you can plan your trip over there if you like. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.